Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel, Hybrid Jamaican-American Art, a special kind of art. As some of you may know by now, coming from a Jamaican mother and an American daddy, I like both heritages equally. They're both Black, but there are things of each heritage that I like over the other. I've always liked the Jamaican food over the American food, but being that I'm now an auntie to a child of Haitian background, I decided to learn Haitian cooking so they wouldn't lose too much of their Haitian heritage. So, for this one, I'm combining. One of the first Haitian foods I learned how to make was Haitian epis. Epis is a simple blend of peppers, herbs, and other vegetables. Epis can not only make your food tastier, but also healthier. So as I season my chicken wings with the seasonings that I use for Jamaican chicken wings, I'm also now going to add the epis. So I'm just going to start spooning some epis onto the chicken. You don't need a whole bunch, but you want to put enough in there to get nice good seasoning. Now, when I first started learning about epis, understandably, I had no clue. And I would ask, what type of foods can you use epis in? And so many people had the same response. There's very little foods that you don't put epis in. The Haitians don't put epis in. Now again, being I come from a Jamaican mother and an American daddy, I consider myself Jamaican-American. Some Jamaicans say I'm Jamaican and some say I'm not. Some Americans say I'm not Jamaican, some say I am. But I say I'm both. But again, being that I am an auntie to a child who is of Haitian background, I wanted to learn for their sake. And yes, this is the same kid who told me, Auntie, you should put some of your cooking on YouTube. And as some of you probably know, I never thought of that until they told me. See? It can be pretty messy, but it's well worth it. Okay, so my chicken wings are now ready to marinate. When I come back to cook them, I'll be cooking them Jamaican style, but I think adding the Haitian epis will make them a tad bit more tastier. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. I hope you return, as I plan to have more Jamaican cooking and other aspects of hybrid Jamaican-American art. Till next time!